Hi friends, in this video we are going to study about cardinality, one of the another important concept in theory of computation. This topic is also favorite topic for external examiners, which is asked commonly in the Viva examinations. So let's see the actual meaning of cardinality. See, cardinality is nothing but number of elements present in this set. Now this is just a definition. If you speak this definition in front of the external examiner, he will ask you to explain this with respect to an example. So let us see one example also. Now we will consider here a set of alphabets or symbols for our convenience to understand this cardinality concept. So let sigma b is equal to over 0 comma a comma b. Now let L1 it is be a language where it is set of all strings of length 2. Means from this available set of symbols or alphabets, we need to design one language where it is having a set of all the strings of length 2. So let's start doing it. AA, then AB, then BA and BB. These are the four possible outcomes as per this condition of the language. As we can see here, number of elements present in this particular set are 4. And as per the definition of cardinality, it is nothing but number of elements present in the set. So here 4 elements are present. So cardinality of this specific L1 language is nothing but 4. Now let's take one more example for better understanding. Let L2 be the set of all strings of length 3. So it will be AAA, AAB, ABA, ABB. 4 elements, 4 combinations of A are complete. Now for B, BBA, BAB, BAA, and the last one BBB. So here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements are present. So cardinality of this L2 language is 8, because cardinality is nothing but it is number of elements in the set. So as per this definition, cardinality of L1 is 4 and cardinality of L2 language is 8. Thank you.